Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS third wheeling each other. Okay, this is by Jinny Eats. The link is in the description, so you should go and check this out. Third wheeling, you know, the friend Steve, right? That kind of thing. Oh god. How's my hair? Okay, Taeyang's question ignored. Okay. Oh, it looks cute. Jimin, full confidence on his soulmate. Okay, you guys are impossible. Okay, I'm right there. Peace. There's always sometime they're going to be third wheeling, obviously, for obvious reasons. Okay. Okay. This is so fun the way they dance in this. Jin is again sidelined here.
Can't believe that it's finally me and you and me, just us and your friend Steve.
I mean, if you put this audio here, you know, it works. It works really well.
Just us and your friend Steve. Steve.
Oh god, I will stop with the beat. We need to turn, okay? Let me in, let me in. Okay, Taeyang is falling all over Jimin and Namjoon is watching and third wheeling. The way he pushed him away, like. Meanwhile, what? He's still in shock. The way he went and just, what are you doing, Taeyang? Jimin is laughing, he's just dying inside with laughter, like purifying. Jimin had what did he say? Sorry. The way third wheel comes in that edit is hilarious. What's with the purifying? Had to eat it because he lost the game, okay? Oh, they don't care they're eating. Look here, cute. What is this? One chopstick and one fork. Third wheeling again. Jungkook. Now he can? Okay, hold up. What? Why are they doing that to him? Oh my god. On upper lip, okay. Million people are seeing. All of them third wheel this time. Only two soulmates. Why do we have to? Okay. It's like, why do we have to but still does it? Cute. That's my seat, okay. What? He's third wheel this time, okay. You deserve it, okay. Jin and Jungkook are Tom and Jerry. They're such sibling behavior. Like Namjoon is somewhere sidelined, okay. How many times have they played this game, man? And how many run BTS episodes? Now in Arisha also they did it. Try not to laugh, okay? He's already laughing. Jin with like how you do it. Look this. Oh my god, Jin. Okay. Who is sidelined this time? I don't even know. Please feed me. I'll feed you, okay. The way he just shoved it in. Oh my god. Jimin again. Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay. You bit him? What? Oh my god. It was self-defense, as he said. He was getting dizzy. He didn't do it on purpose. And Jin is like, okay, why did I need to know this? Okay. What is this Titanic pose I was going to say? And then there's Namjoon is always third wheeling. Okay, we get it. He's just watching the chaos and then he starts it too. There you go. J-Hope is crazy. No. What is this? He's trying to fly now. Playful Jikook as always. Who is stuck with them? Oh, it's Namjoon. Okay. Why he's always so done with them? Okay. Someone get me out of here. Okay.
아 우리 호비
네, 휴가.
2022년 되게
So,
자, 네네.
그러니까 우리 2022년은 다들 아프지 말고
okay.
네네.
Fighting.
자, 파이팅해요. 건강 잘 챙기시고.
Namgi had to remake a K-drama scene. Even I think Jimin and Jin also did it. I have seen that clip and it is hilarious. I have not seen this. Oh my god. Okay. All of them are third wheeling in that, obviously. Do we make it like this? Heart. And Jimin is third wheeling here, obviously. What is this? An apple? What? It's not an heart. How? This was hilarious and they were just having so much fun. J-Hope was like trying to. What are you doing? Just listen to what I say. No, they were not. Okay. And this time it's Jikook. Washing each other's face. That's what they're doing. Okay. I'm surprised they didn't splash in their eyes and I just said it and that happened. Okay. Besides Jikook, it's Taeyang. And he also got it. He was poor guy somewhere else. He also got splashed in the face. Okay. Third wheeling again. The way Jin just falls when he laughs, like it's hilarious to me, guys. Namjoon is so many times he just sidelined like that, okay? That is so cute. They noticed that. You have handsomeness on your face, okay? Oh yeah, he behaved as if he is actually hurt and cried to Jin. I know, he pushed him away. That's so cute, I can't. Oh god, so cute. He's screaming for that. He's trying to get away. That's cute. Okay. What? You shouldn't say that, okay? We young? That's why he gave him a headband. Why did he say young? Jin. This makes no sense. You started it. He started. Okay. This was real fun. So many times they are third wheeling, okay. Mostly it's Namjoon, Jimin. They just pushed aside and, or maybe they are also chaotic, but they are not as extra as others. Okay. This is so fun. I really didn't see some of the clips before. This was really fun to watch. Oh god, they're so chaotic. So if you liked my reaction to this one, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section.
With